Well, hello everyone. This is early in the morning. The time is 6:21 a.m. and it is the 2nd of July 2020. I'm making this video this morning. What I'm doing this morning is I'm advertising on Facebook for free, and I'm gonna just share with you some tips on how to do that. Okay, I have just made this. See this ad right here? I just made it and I shared it with one of the groups that I have joined, and I am going to share with you how I did that. Okay, this here is one of my YouTube channels. So if you click, let me go back on my YouTube channel. Alright, this is my YouTube channel, guys. Always improving it, and I'm just gonna turn that off. I'm always improving my channel, optimizing my videos. As you can see, I just added another one here. So I've added like 5 videos. This video here is about yesterday's training. So every week we have a weekly training. If you want to watch the training, how we get paid here, how to use the system, it's an absolute must to see if you really want to generate money online, and if you're one of those serious people that want to change your life. This is life-changing. It's a life-changing lifestyle, so you have to have a great mindset in order to actually get successful. Okay, I've made up my mind a couple weeks ago. I rejoined this program. I actually joined it in 2017, and I had a few sales then, but then something happened and I had to quit my everything on the online anyway. But I had to quit because I had problems at that time, so I put it on hold, and I paid for my system, my $7. I've never lost it. Okay, and I was generating sales, and I didn't know I was generating sales. But when I rejoined it, that's when I found out, which I just rejoined like maybe a month ago. And I actually built this channel right now. It's been only a month, and I've already made I have like 39 videos right now. I don't know why it's not updating, but I have 39 videos right now I've already made. And let me just share with you the videos I've made. I have optimized all my videos, and all my ranking is scored as with the search engine optimization with Google. Every one of them have 100. Let me open this one. Okay, every one of my videos is scored. I don't think this one is processed yet, or is it? Okay. See this right here? Search engine optimization, they're all scored 100. So all my videos on my YouTube channel, I took my time, change the keywords matching to my videos. Some of them have content, some don't, but all my keywords are tagged to my videos. And you have to look out in the Google research up here. You can just let's type up marketing system. I'm going to give you an example. Marketing system. Okay, see, look, all these keywords right here. All right, just Google. Yeah. So the number top one is marketing system. If you click on marketing systems, look how many people are on the search results here. And let's see. All right, let me go back. All right, but that's an example. That was my YouTube channel. So what I did was I went, oh gosh, I lost my YouTube channel here. Let me just open up well, let me just go here. Just lost my YouTube channel. Okay. I'm going to show you step by step what I did. So I'm going to go back to my channel and wait. Let's see. Alright, I'm just gonna, okay, so this is the video that I have uploaded on, I uploaded this video on my YouTube, on my Facebook, I mean. So you hit share, you copy it, okay, and then you hit that Facebook. I'm just going to give you an example. Actually, I'm just going to make another. Let me just move over my screen. Anyway, everyone, I'm using Screen-O-Matic. That's what I use to make these videos. Alright, what was I doing? Okay. Okay, wait. Let me just do it again. So I am going to share it. I'm going to copy it on Facebook. And I've already kind of, oh, that's not it. Let me just erase that. Cut. Let me go to the old one here. I'm going to copy this right here. Alright, I've already had it set, but then I erased it when I copied the video again. So we're gonna go back to this one. So I'm gonna paste it here. Oop, it's kind of too much there, but let me see if I can just make it yeah, something like that. And I have to move my screen over. Maybe I just make the screen bigger. I'm using Screen-O-Matic. I'm sorry, everybody. My mouse is just not working. Let me open this back up again. Okay. I'm gonna make the screen bigger. It's not allowing me to, but anyway, all right, so I posted right here. I'm gonna post it on Facebook, but before I post it, I'm gonna post it in one of my page I manage. So let me just post it on my Jesus Crochet. So I am going to post that there. And if I go back here, go to one of my page I manage, I did, where's Jesus Crochet? Here it is. And you will see it here. This is my creative website. It should load up. It's taking its time. There it is. And this is how I actually, I'm gonna fix that. I just don't like the way it looks. Copy. For some reason, it looks so different from there, but I'm going to do this. Let's see if that fixed it. Kinda. Okay, well, let's do, I hope you guys are following me. This is actually how I just play around and I just have fun doing this. But this is all messed up. I am going to just do this. Yeah, just like that. Let's see what it. Well, it's still gonna look the same, but you get what I mean. And like everybody on this, I have like at least 712 people that like my crochet. It's called Facebook Laudiaann Crafts. If you want to look it up, these are all my crafts that I do. I do craft shows and stuff like that, and I make and I sew and I crochet. And you can just check out the things I make. Let's see. So I have like 712 people that like this channel, and 697 people are following me. So I have people watching and looking and checking me out because they know I do a lot of things, especially my friends and my family. And then you're gonna see down here how many people have watched. But free advertising. This is actually free advertising. It takes a lot of work. So, but I'm gonna go back to my first one. I think I lost it. I'm not sure what I did with it. It was. Let me go back to my. I post a lot on successful entrepreneurs. That's one of my. That's where I promote my Power Lead system. This marketing system. And let's see. I'm gonna scroll up, and oh, here's an example right here. I had 6 people I've reached, 3 people engaged, and that's actually how I really reach people, through free advertising, and it's just giving away this free marketing system. They actually train you to do all this. I have 693 people that are following me, so it is actually growing. This one I just created like a couple, maybe an hour and a half ago. I've reached 2 people here so far, and I post a lot on the groups. I don't post too much, I kind of like every so many hours, or whenever I have 10 minutes of my free time, I'll go in to my groups and I will post on Facebook. I don't know what happened here. Does actually have a sound? Oh, that was pretty loud. But yeah, you can actually upload a video here. And you upload a photo or video, you create one. This is one of my YouTube channels I uploaded. I might change it again. I'm not sure if I want to change it, but I probably just post a picture. I will change it once in a while. If I get tired of looking at it, I will actually change it. But you know what? I'm just having fun with the Power Lead system, and it's just generating money for me. And I love it. And I'm working on becoming very successful. I'm really actually taking it really serious. Since I've rejoined, I have almost 400 people on my list so far. When I rejoined like 3 weeks ago, I only had like 33 people on my autoresponder list in the back office of my Power Lead system. And so I already have some gold members. I have some lead lightning people. I've already made commissions. So, and I'm really, I have bought almost all the products. I can actually share it with you right here. Getting started. You see here, all I need is the last one here is the MTI Master Traffic Institute, and I'm gonna get that really soon. but I have already upgraded to platinum. Now, people out there, if you are really serious and you want to join my team and you really want to take this serious, if you really like the system, join under me and I will help you, and we can help each other together build our successful entrepreneur status. Okay. And I will actually help you build a YouTube channel. I know quite a bit on the computer because I started internet marketing since 1998, and I've joined lots of programs. I don't know really how much money I have spent, but I have spent a lot of money. I even was a part of Empire Network. I know a lot of people here probably know what Empire Network is. If you are an affiliate marketer, internet marketer, you know what Empire Network is. And also I was involved in the MOBE, M-O-B-E. That was such a good program, but then something happened and it got shut down. So, but the only thing about MOBE was too expensive. I think they overcharged the people. Whereas this program here, just getting started, is only $7. Guys, you can build a business with this and become financially free. And I see the whole picture. I bought everything and I'm all in. And if I was you, get all in and watch the compensation plan. I have it all on my videos. I have it. Oops. Oh no, what happened here? Okay, let's go back here. I'm gonna show you. Somebody, I always get those things, but if we go on all of my videos, I've posted the compensation plan. I'm gonna move this over. And you'll find it. It's in one of my videos here. I've already made like almost 40 videos. Let's see. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36. I made 38 videos so far in 3 weeks. So that's impressive to me, guys. I'm really, really taking it serious. Let's see. Here it is, the compensation plan. Right here. You'll find it I have several ones in here, but this is a really good to watch so you can get to know how much we get paid here. Alright guys, I'm gonna leave this. I'm gonna sign out and just shared with you what I'm doing right now. I'm just having fun with this, and I'm gonna continue advertising as soon as I get done with this video and upload this one too. Alright, take care guys. I'll talk to you soon, and get your free system today, and you'll be impressed with all the intense training behind the back office. They're always adding new things. They also added a new drag and drop sales funnel editor free. You know, you get everything free there. If you upgrade, you get everything. All right, guys, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.